Hello, welcome to Easy English. Today, I want to know what Brits think about Brits. Let's go.
I think generally we're quite a funny nation.
Yeah, okay.
I do think we have an inflated view of being English. Some people just think it's the best thing in the world.
Yeah.
Not looking at all the other cultures, all the other countries. You know, I do think we've got it out of sync, really, for sure.
You know the British people, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think about them?
I think they're like posh.
Posh.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And
All of them?
most of them.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
Are you posh?
Not really.
Okay.
I go to school in New Haven.
That's not posh.
Not really.
No.
Okay.
I think that we're all great storytellers in Britain, and part of being British to me is about that.
Well, most people from other countries think like you English people like all posh and that, and they just drink tea for like on a daily basis. So
Okay. And
it's just,
is this not true? You don't drink tea?
I drink tea a lot.
Oh, right, so it's completely true then.